Hello, it's Trifecta here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own command prompt edits like you see here. As you can see, this is an edit of the tree command that I made in Python, then used batch to point to the file, and finally I converted it into an MS-DOS file, which is the format for some CMD functions, whereas .exe is the format for some others. It seems overwhelming at first, but I'll walk you through how to get your own code into the command prompt of your virtual machine. For this tutorial, you need a program called bat2.exe. Links will be included in the description below. So for this tutorial, you have two options on how you can go about it. However, both paths, as you could have it, end up eventually merging with each other. So no matter what you decide to do, you will end up at the same point with the same results. Digression aside, you can either code the script entirely in batch, or you can code it in a language that you're familiar with, then create a 2-line batch script that runs the interpreter of your language and the code you made together. The latter is the case for Python, as currently there is no way that .py files can be converted into executables. However, if your language does allow direct conversion to an executable file, then you can just do that and save yourself some time. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how I did this with Python. First off, you need to get your code and place it somewhere easily accessible on your virtual machine. To make the creation of my batch scripts easier, I just place my finished.py file inside the Python directory itself, as that means the two paths I need for my batch code are the same. Once you've placed your code, you need to make a new text document and type the following: @echo_off, and then on a new line type the path to your language interpreter, which in my case is c/python34/python.exe. Then you need to leave a space and type the file path to the file containing your code. So in my case, again, it's c/python34/faketree.py. Once you've done this, you need to click Save As and save the file as a batch file. You do this by clicking Save As and then clicking the drop down and selecting All Files. After this, you want to name your batch file exactly the same as what you're replacing and add .bat to the end. In this tutorial, I'm replacing the tree command, so I'll call it tree.bat. Now you need to open bat2.exe converter and select the batch file you just made. You then want to click Compile and you will have your new executable file. Once you've got your new file, you need to navigate to System32 and find the original copy of what you're replacing. Rename it to something else and then add your new edited file. As you can see, the tree file isn't an executable and is instead an MS-DOS command. If you have a command like this, just simply change the extension of your file from .exe to .com and it will work. If you did it like me by referencing a file in your batch code, the file you reference must be in the correct location or the command will not run. And that's basically it. As you can see, my tree command now runs a fake virus scan which I made instead of the original tree command. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please leave a like, as I put a lot of work into these tutorial videos. If we can get 5 likes on today's video, it would mean the world to me, guys. Once again, thank you for watching. I really appreciate your viewership. I hope this was helpful. I've been Trifecta, and goodbye.